Okay, last session before the break by Teo and George. They came all the way from Greece to show the user research platform. Welcome, guys.
So are we ready?
Yep.
Hello, everyone. I'm Teo, co-founder of Useberry. Being here at the UXConf with you is really fantastic. Useberry is a UX research platform that helps you get the answers you need to create amazing experiences for your users. The last few months have been really exciting for us as we launched the latest version of our platform, Useberry 3.0. Which focuses mostly on simplicity and collaboration. And now George will show you a demo of this new release. Enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is George Kordatos and I am product and UX designer at Useberry, and today I will do a short demo of how to unlock actionable insights with usability studies in Useberry. So let's get started by creating a new project. We offer two options, the create from scratch and the use a template option. There are 19 high quality made UX research templates you can choose from, or you can create your own custom template. But let's create now our project from scratch. Right now we are on version 1. Each project can have multiple versions, and the version structure is really simple. We have the Create tab, where you build your study with blocks, the Share tab, where you recruit your participants through your audience or through our participant pool of testers, and the Results tab, where you analyze your insights. Right now, our study is empty of blocks. We have just the intro screen, where we inform our participants for the upcoming study, and the thank you screen, where we thank them for participating in this study. So let's add our first block. Useberry offers a variety of testing methods to choose from, like card sorting, preference test, tree test, questions, 5-second test and first click. Today we are going to conduct a usability testing study to test a coffee app prototype made in Figma. So our first block will be the single task block to ask testers to accomplish a task. At first, we need to add an asset to this block. You can add a prototype. We are integrating with the most tools that are used by the UX community, like Prototype, Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, InVision, and Marvel, or you can add a website through our snippet code or through our proxy server, where we try to import any website you want. So let's add our coffee app prototype made in Figma. Great. For our demo, I want the title and the instructions for the participants to be very easy. So the title will be You Love Coffee, and the instructions: add 2 bags of Ethiopian coffee to your cart. Great. Moving down, we have the screen your prototype will begin with. Mainly is the starting screen from your Figma prototype flow you upload, and I will keep it as it is. And right now we have the task completion, where we need to set where this task will be successfully completed. In prototype testing, we offer two options, the through a specific path and the on a specific screen, and I will stay with the first one. And now we need to set the path that testers need to take to successfully complete it. From here, as you can see, we are supporting Figma's interactive components to the path creation, and I will enable this option because I have interactive components in this prototype. So the task is add 2 bags of Ethiopian coffee to your cart. So let's get started. Our coffee, Ethiopia, 2 bags. As you can see, these are interactive components here, and add to cart. Great, let's save our completion. From here, you can create alternative completions if you wish. Let's give a name to this block. Coffee app. Great. In usability testing, it's really important to have a post-task question to ask participants to give you their feedback. So I will add a questions block. I want an ease of use question, so I will select the opinion scale type. And I want the question title to be overall this task was. I want the scale to start at 1 and the text to be very difficult. And I want the scale to end at 7 and the text to be very easy. We would like you to participate in this study and have a chance to win a pair of headphones in our contest later at Useberry's booth. So I will add a yes/no block to ask you if you consent your email address to be collected in order to participate. So the question title will be, would you like to join our contest and have a chance to win headphones? Great. I'm going to need another questions block here to collect the email addresses. I want the short text type, and the question title will be type your full name. I want this question to be required. Great. And I'm going to need another question here. Again, the short text type to type your email address. Again, this question will be required. Great. So now let's give a name to this block. Collect email addresses. Great. So now, as the yes/no functionality stands, the participant either select the yes or the no option. He will have to take the next questions block. We want only the participants that select the yes option to go to the next questions block, and the participants that select the no option to go directly to the thank you screen. So we need to create a conditional logic to this block. I'm going to add logic jump, and we want, if the answer is yes, we want to go to the collect email addresses block. And in all other cases, which mean when the answer is no, we want to go directly to the thank you screen. Great. Let's save it. And let's go to preview our study to check if everything is okay. This is our intro screen. Let's get started. We are waiting for the Figma prototype to be loaded. Okay, the task is add 2 bags of Ethiopian coffee to your cart. So let's get started. Our coffee, Ethiopia, 2 bags, add to cart. Great, we have completed the task. Let's move on. It was 7 of 7, easy for me. Yes, I would love to join the contest. My full name is George Kordatos, and my work email address is george.k@useberry.com. Thank you. Great. I will move on briefly to the Share tab now. We offer 2 recruitment options, the Share link, where you recruit your own participants by sharing a link, and we have some extra options here, like the password protect, the legal screen, and the screening questions. And the other recruitment option is the participant pool of testers. We are integrating with Prolific and offer more than 100 attributes to choose from, 120,000 testers panel, and 34 countries worldwide. And specifically, here in the UK, we have more than 42,000 participants available right now. Moving down, we have the version settings. From here, you can change and customize the study's language and enable or disable Useberry recordings. We offer 2 types of recordings. The session recordings, where we capture the DOM elements on the screen and represent every user interaction like mouse movements, scroll, clicks, and taps. And the video shoots, where we capture the participant's face, voice, and screen. For our demo today, I will enable the session recordings. Great. Let's go now to the results section. Here you can view the overall performance of the study, and I will move on to the single task block, which is the most interesting part. From this section here, you can view the overall performance for this block, and moving down, we have the click tracking, which is our newest innovative feature for Figma prototypes, where you can inspect your clicks right on your prototype. This means that these clicks are interactive and not static on an image, so you can navigate through your prototype and view the clicks on each screen. You can scroll down and the clicks will be scrolled together. You can change the state of an interactive component and the clicks will be changed too. And with this solution, because every click is right on your component and on your design element, it's really difficult to miss a click. From here, you can customize your analysis with segment filters. Here you can navigate to each screen with clicks. And moving down, we have some stats for each screen, like the users that visited the screen, the average time, and the total amount of clicks. And moving down, we have the click areas, where you can create multiple areas right on your prototype and view some stats inside of these areas. And last but not least, we offer two views to inspect your clicks, the heatmap view and the clicks view. Let's go back and let's go now to the user flows. User flows are ideal to get the path that the users follow. You can hover over an item and view its image, and this will help you to remember it. You can click an item and highlight the traffic and through here. Also, we offer some extra tools to help you organize your flow. Let's go back and let's go to the theater section. Here you can view Useberry's recordings, video shoots and session recordings. And you can view the user navigating through your prototype. And in the session recording, you can view the moves, the clicks, the scroll, and the touches. Also, from here, you can navigate to each block and view the recording. And from here, you can navigate to each session and view the recordings. This was our demo for today. Thank you very much.